Hello again. Yeah, so I've decided to do this again because I've just sort of spent this night and I've done this cool thing. Maze generation. Yay. So basically, for our for my C++ assignment, we had to do a maze generator, and I've just sort of copied the code from that assignment into Unity, and then just obviously create the 3D model. I mean, replace the actual walls with basically proper edges, all pretty much just cubes that have been stretched. Unfortunately, every single one of these has a collision. It's not a whole thing. That's kind of annoying, but yeah, it's really cool. So it's a variable size. You can change the size up to like ridiculous stuff like 100 by 100. And that's gonna take ages because I'm only loading a few objects per frame, because if you try to load the entire maze all in the one frame, then it just chugs. So it's just putting them between frames, putting all the objects between frames just so the computer can actually breathe. So yeah, oh, and that's very framey. What I do need to do to get rid of that is simply set all the edges as deactivated, and then just simply have like a little sphere or sphere trigger around the player, so as the player moves, the game objects become active. So when they're disabled, so it won't chug as much, and it should only have the walls that the player can see as active, which I might need to make that quite big, because like if you're around here, then you would be able to see that wall there, so I'd have to have quite a big range there. Yeah. At the moment it's using a recursive maze division method, so if you just search recursive maze division on Wikipedia, you'll find it. This thing can go like up to ridiculous amounts and it won't break or anything, but I mean it will break because of the frame rate. The frame rate will break, but actual program won't, because for our assignment we had to do 2000 by 2000 minimum, and so we had to save into like a picture format, but yeah, the picture was always so big that because like a .svg, which is like a browser format, so that was yeah, sort of crashed pretty much any internet browser I put it through. So .svg only worked with Firefox and Internet Explorer. So yeah, frame rate. So should stop that. It sort of crashed both of those, or it just didn't want to load anything past like the first few edges. Yeah, that was not fun. We also had to do pathfinding for the assignment as well, so I could very easily implement that, but I'm not going to bother. I do have some idea of game to make out of this. I haven't really abandoned the other one. I've sort of just hit a standstill, sort of like a block. Artist block, I guess, of what to do with that. But it's good to explore different ideas now and again. So that rendered a lot faster. Let's do one object per frame, because then we can just see how the recursive maze division works, because that's always fun. We did use other algorithms. I could also very easily implement that as well, because right now for our assignment we had to create like a parent generator class, and then have the actual algorithm in. So the other algorithms we had to use was Prim's algorithm, as well as a modified version of Prim's algorithm, but I could very easily implement that. Just like parent it from the generator class, and then just create a Prim generator here, and then just run that over the maze. Where is it? Yeah, so it just sends back a maze from the maze class, and yeah. Yeah, it's pretty damn fun. Yeah.